Good morning, respected teachers and my dear friends. My name is Aarvi Negi and I'm from 2J. Today, I'm gonna show you how I make my healthy sandwich. For that, you'll need tomatoes, cucumber, cheese. You see this? You can use any kind of bread. Step 1. Wash all the vegetables before you use. Second step. Cut cucumber and tomato into slices. Cucumber keeps us fresh. It's so watery. Tomato gives us vitamin C to fight germs. Cheese gives us calcium for strong bones. Whole wheat bread gives us energy to study and play. Spread this mayonnaise on one slice of bread. Arrange the slices of vegetables on the bread. My sandwich is ready, but if you want to turn off the sides, you can. Now let's make with another bread. Arrange the vegetables. You can make one more sandwich with a very flat bread. It's so yummy! I'm super hungry. Eating healthy food keeps us strong, smart, and full of energy. Now, my theme, Munch Healthy Lunch, is ready!